Hey you guys, I'm Jay.
And I'm Lisa.
There's Lisa. We're Our Simple Adventures. We're on the move again. We just left Blue Water Lake State Park. Be right back. Okay, we are on original Route 66, Silver. We're in a big dirt parking lot behind the Silver Moon Cafe. We've got wind gusts between 40 and 60 mile an hour. It is rocking the prowler here. So yeah, we just pulled in here. It's about 4 o'clock. We're gonna go in there and have some supper after a bit and sleep here tonight. And yeah, this is in Santa Rosa, New Mexico. I'm waiting for another big gust to come up so you guys can see it. Yeah, for my Iowa peeps, there's a Schuster truck from Lamar's. I suppose it's not going to gust while I got you here, but there. Now it's rocking. Nice little, beautiful little junkyard behind us here, and here. Okay, good morning, guys. Boy, this darn wind just won't give up. Won't give up. Anyway, I wanted to show you a little more here. We ate at the Silver Moon Cafe for supper last night. Good stuff. Good stuff. And it's a busy place. Anyway, I just want to show you guys a little bit more about this junkyard here. There's an ambulance there. It looks like a 1980s Chevy, frame with the ambulance. And there's another ambulance over here. I can't see the front of that though. But for you people that wanted to convert them into camper vans, here's a couple of them here. Look, see the VW over there? There's a Bug, 1970, whatever. Looks like a Hudson right in front of it. Another Volkswagen. You're not gonna be able to see it with the GoPro probably, unless you're able to zoom in. Another Bug out there. A Firebird. Looks like it had. I don't remember a yellow Trans Am being made, so I'm thinking that's probably just a Firebird. But it's got this hole for the cutout in the hood. As we go, I was thinking, and I told Lisa last night, as we go across the country, I'm going to keep track of where these old cars are, just sitting there rotting. I mean, this is the Southwest, New Mexico. In Arizona, they don't rust. So. But I'm going to start writing down and keeping track of where these are. So, whenever we come back in and land, if ever we do, well, we get going to sometime, and get off the road full time, I'm going to have a note about where these cars are. And I would love, in my retirement, I would love to fix one of those. I'll show these once in a while too, if anybody else, and where they're at. Because I hate to see them just sit here. I want to see them rescued. There's an old Class C right behind that tree right there. They look in good shape. Who knows, maybe they just need a battery and a tank of gas. They probably need more than that, but you don't know. So anyway, we're headed east. You guys guess where we're at? Cadillac Ranch.
Here? Okay, hey, we're at Cadillac Ranch outside of Amarillo, Texas. Is the stop you've got to go, or one of those here. So it was designed by created by two male artists in 1974. There are 10 Cadillacs in chronological order, and you can tell by their tail fins, the newest to the oldest, latest model to the oldest model. And I guess I'm trying to think which one was it. I don't know, I think it's this end one down here, the 10th one, that was actually set on fire by arson in 2019.
Okay, you guys, I'm gonna give you one guess as to where you think we're parked. You know what? You're right. Cracker Barrel. We're in Amarillo, Texas, on the way back east. Lisa got this map from her daughter for Christmas, and we immediately put Arizona, Iowa, Kansas, Missouri, and Illinois, because with the rules we're going to go by for ourselves are to have at least 3 consecutive nights in one spot in a state where we actually unhook and do some exploring. You know, we've been in all these states or traveled through, but we wanted at least 3 consecutive nights to be able to claim a state. So this is going to be our state sticker ceremony, as Lisa did drum roll.
We did that as our 1 year of being on the road.
Yesterday is 1 year full-time in this RV, April 29th.
And so we added New Mexico.
And we're going to do a 1 year anniversary video here, probably in the next week, hopefully, and kind of tell you about our budget and how it went.
Okay,
So,
and just one little tidbit about the map, because I know a lot of people, everyone has these maps, and I didn't want to just stick it right to the RV or to the door, because if we do change RVs, we'd lose it all. So I went ahead and stuck it on a piece of foam, like, you know, just the art foam, cut it out, and then attached it with some Velcro to the wall, or to the door, so that if we do move RVs, change RVs, I can actually just take this down and take it with us so we don't lose it all. So.
yeah. Okay, cool. Actually, we'll tell you the next state we're going to mark off.
Yeah, it's not going to be Texas, because we're just coming through here one night. That's it.
We're gonna show you guys some things in Oklahoma, so hopefully we'll be able to mark that state off in a week or so. So, right, we'll see you there. No, well, we'll see you tomorrow. Okay, we're at this Cracker Barrel, and this Skoolie, this highly modified Skoolie, pulled in. Look at this thing. I think the guys, I hope he comes out. Is that not obviously raise the roof? Little bluebird. Wow. Yeah, if there's anybody in there, I'm just admiring your rig. Look at that. I wonder if there's probably 2 levels in there. If he doesn't come out while I'm out here, I'm gonna South Dakota. Wow. All right, hopefully. Love them. Those are all new. Look at that, how he added that. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah. Okay, hopefully he comes out and we can get a tour. Okay, we're moving along here. The supper we had at that Silver Moon Cafe in Santa Rosa was a good place to stop.
It was good vibe going there.
Good vibe, decorated. I should have filmed a little bit of it, which I'm going to start doing in restaurants that we go to. But yeah, good food. A little bit different parking spot with that junkyard behind us, but there were some cool cars in there. And I am going to keep track of these places that you can't easily see from the highway. For some of these old cars. Cadillac Ranch.
It's cool. I mean, I've seen so many pictures of it online on the other videos, but to actually be there, you kind of have to be there. You gotta do that once. You gotta have to walk up to it once.
Yeah, I mean, you can't just drive right by it without stopping and getting some pictures. Yeah,
I was kind of surprised. What surprised me was that there was a truck, like just selling all their goods and everything, and they were selling spray paint. If you wanted to buy, if you didn't bring your own, they were selling it. I was like, okay, that's kind of weird.
Yeah. Then the Cracker Barrel, we got that New Mexico sticker on. We're adding states now. We're gonna knock out some states this next 6, 7, 8 months. So stay tuned for those states, whatever we can find in those states. So anyway, we're gonna wrap this one up here. Hopefully the wind's not hitting this. Otherwise we'll be redoing it. Anyway, love you guys. Share this with a like-minded person. Hit that notification bell so you get notified when we publish. Bunch of videos coming up. We'll see you in a few days.
Yeah, join us on our next adventure.
Bye-bye.